welcome back to my kitchen. So today I have a very special guest joining me today.
Hi!
My lovely daughter Catherine. Now this is one of her recipes. It's gorgeous. You're going to love this one.
It's Oreo cookie dough brownies. I used to make them all the time at uni. Love them.
Yeah, a real uni one as well. So we do a big tray because that will not last very long. I'm sure you'll be taking some with you, won't you?
Yeah, the girls at work absolutely love it. They'll be jealous of making them today.
So this tin is a 24 by 30 centimetres. So obviously you can halve this recipe. So let me show you, or let Caitlin show you how to make it. So we've got the butter. I use 2 types of sugar in this. We've got the brown soft sugar and we've also got the caster sugar. We've also got some corn flour, some bicarbonate of soda and some plain flour and a little drop of vanilla extract.
Okay, so we're going to put the butter and the sugar into the machine and cream it together.
So now we're just going to add the flour, the bicarbonate of soda and baking powder.
And once that comes to a breadcrumb, we're just going to add the eggs.
So that's the cookie dough made. If you want to, you could add just a few chocolate chips to go in there. So I just add a little bit just as an extra flavour. Just give that a quick last blend and that's it made. How simple is that? We're going to line our tray with silicone paper or parchment paper, and all I've done is just cut these corners here and then we're going to push it down, and that way you're going to get a nice corner. You're not going to waste any Oreos or cookies. So we're just going to flatten that into a tray. You can use a palette knife if you want to. I just find it much easier with your hands and just push that in right into the corners. So once that's done, we're going to pop that into the freezer for 30 minutes while we make the brownie mix. So for the brownie mix, we've got some butter, which we're going to put over a bain-marie, and we're going to put the chocolate in there as well. We're just going to melt that over the heat. We've got some strong flour, some cocoa powder, sugar and some eggs. We're just going to leave that to melt.
Okay, so once that's all melted, you'll just pop your sugar in. Then just add your vanilla. Add your eggs bit by bit. And finally just your flour and cocoa powder. Brownie mix. Okay, so now let's show you how we put it all together. But first, do you mind if I have an Oreo?
Well, that is going to be my top tip. So when you're doing this, you always need to buy an extra packet.
Ah, mind reader!
Because
Don't mind
I like to eat them. So we're just going to finish off by pouring the brownie over the top of the Oreos. And it should just find its own level.
Okay, now that's all on, let's put it in the oven.
So once that comes out of the oven, we're just going to probe it and it should come out roughly clean. It won't be perfect because you do want that nice soft texture to it. That's been in the oven for 30 minutes. I just turn the oven down at the end just for it to set off. And then if you can, you're going to leave it overnight because I want it to be quite firm when we cut it with the Oreos in there so you get the shape. So leave it overnight and I'll see you in the morning. How delicious they look. So all it needs now is a nice cup of tea.
Definitely.
Sit out in the garden with one of these. What do you reckon?
100%, definitely. They're a crowd pleaser. Try that with your friends and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment on what you want to see next from the Mixture Star pastry chef herself.
See you on the next one.